Death is end of life. Simple. Death is end of life. And death is the loss of functions of the living matter. उस वक्त हमने ये बताया properties of living matter. So loss of properties of living matter is death. Or dying is a chain of events. So different definitions, like in Parek, permanent and irreversible cessation of vital functions of heart, brain, and lung is death. So permanent and irreversible loss of functions of heart, brain, and lungs. That is CNS, CVS, and respiration. Whereas Muller in 1967 states that dying is a process and it starts with the stoppage of vital functions till the completion of loss of life in the components, the molecular death, that is the organic death. So somatic death leading to organic death. It starts with the stoppage of vital functions at the moment of death. It's a continuous process till the end of life in the components, that is the organs. Then the CAN in 1970, when the brain death is established, ये concept उस वक्त आया था जब मैंने बताया कि organ transplantation. So they try to establish the brain death. So when the brain death has been established in the individual, death should be certified, whatever the state of the other organs is. Because the brain death is the basis of life. Because the vital system, vital centers, they are in the brain. When the vital centers are dead, whatever the state of other systems, you can certify death. So the basis is, he gave the 4 criteria: irreversible coma, fixed dilated pupil, and absent reflexes. So this means loss of CNS. Then no spontaneous respiration, that is at own, spontaneous, not assisted, and absence of electrical activity of brain, EEG, cortical centers, and cessation of circulation. The immediate, at the moment of death, if you do the ophthalmoscopy, there is cessation of circulation in the retinal vessels, and the column of blood becomes segmented. That is a phenomena which is known as cattle trucking. Like the cattle are trucking in a single line, walking, or another word has been used, that the trucks loaded with animals, they are moving in a line. So that means the segmentation of the column of blood in the retinal vessels. So this is the immediate sign, cessation of circulation. Whereas Shapiro says that it's an abstract noun. And this abstract noun may be, he says, that meaningless to the layman, to lawyers, philosophers, and it lacks biological description, inadequate biological description. When we say it abstract noun, because he said that there is no moment of death, because it's a biological fiction. We die in bits and pieces. It's a chain of events starting from the clinical death or the moment of death or the cessation of the vital centers, vital functions, till the complete disintegration. Complete dissolution. That is the death. So the truth is quite different. We die in bed standing. And this is the in which we are concerned that the biological properties of living matter, they are lost. So the death can be defined as, this is the complete definition, irreversible loss of biological properties of living matter. So death is irreversible loss of biological properties of living matter in soma and in organs. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.